Hello everyone sa ating bagong series na Student Asks. Konting intro lang. Naisip kong gawin tong video na to kasi meron akong former student na nagtanong sa akin about a certain problem in integral calculus. So why not help him and then i-share din sa inyo kung paano siya ginawa. Okay? The problem is, what is the area under a curve of this function of y? Na cube root of y minus 1 from y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. This is under integral calculus. And by the way, so if you have some question na pwede nating sagutin or kaya kong sagutin, and then I will try to make a video out of it pagka mas maluwag na yung time. So just message me under my Facebook account or sa Twitter. So any of the two platforms, you can message me. Okay? So now, this series is not a lecture series, so we will not be taking into the step-by-step procedure na sobrang detalyado, but we will be solving for the problem, and then, if there are concepts na medyo nalilito kayo or hindi nyo gets, you may use other resources. So our goal here is to solve the problem. So here it is. So, ang kailangan kunin, ano daw yung area under this curve? F of y is equal to cube root of y minus 1 from y is equal to 0, tong point na to, hanggang y is equal to 1. So, ano yung kinukuha? This is the graph for the cube root of y minus 1. Kailangan daw natin kunin ano yung area, yung nasasakop, nitong nasa ilalim ng curve na to, na mula kay 0 ng y hanggang kay 1. So, ang kailangan natin kunin, gaano ba kalawak tong area na nasasakop nito from 0 until going up to 1. Tong space na to. Okay? So, hindi siya ganun kadaling kunin if you will be using the normal formulas when it comes to geometry. So, that is why dito papasok yung konsepto ng integral calculus. We can represent this as the integral of the cube root of y minus 1 dy from 0 to 1. So, this is a definite integral. Okay? So, kukunin natin, ano ba yung area as we go from 0, unti-unti, hanggang we go up, unti-unti hanggang makarating tayo dito kay 1. So, we will be using the concept of definite integral to do this one. So, we can represent kung ano yung problem natin na kinukuha as this definite integral. To solve this, first step, para mas madalian tayo, let us convert this one in radical form to its exponential form. After that, since hindi agad siya makukuhanan ng integral directly, you may let u by minus 1, and then pag kinuha mo yung derivative nito with respect to y, so this is du, and then this is dy. So pag kinuha mo yung derivative nito, this is just du, this is just dy, derivative of negative 1 is just 0. Derivative of a constant is just equal to 0. Kaya siya naging du of is equal to dy. So ngayon, let us substitute si y minus 1, papalitan natin ng u, si dy, papalitan natin ng du. Substituting, makakarating tayo dito, and then, we can already use the formula for power ng integration, which is, given any variable raised to a, and then, ang gagawin lang natin, magdadagdag tayo ng 1 kay exponent, and then, kung ano yung exponent na yon, ilalagay natin siya kay denominator. So, ang gagawin natin, since this is u raised to 1/3, we will add 1, and then, we will divide it by kung ano tong exponent na to na 1/3 plus 1. Okay? For us to see it, so, eto siya. We add 1, exponent, and then nilagay natin sa denominator. 1/3 plus 1 is just 4/3. Same here. So, this will become u raised to 4/3 over 4/3. Para mas maganda siyang tignan, let us get the reciprocal of the denominator and then multiply natin kay numerator. So, this will become 3/4 times u raised to 4 over 3. And then, our u is equal to y minus 1. I-substitute na natin siya pabalik. And then, since this is a definite integral, let us evaluate this from 0 up to 1. Solving for definite integral, we will just substitute yung upper limit natin, which is 1, sa lahat ng value ng y, and then minus yung lower limit naman natin na 0, isa-substitute natin kay y. Doing that substitution, makakarating tayo dito, and then 1 minus 1, this is just equal to 0. 0 minus 1 is negative 1. And then this is just 0. So, kahit erase mo pa siya sa kahit na exponent, this will still be equal to 0. Times 3/4, this part will become 0. And then this one, negative 1 raised to 4 over 3. So, this we can represent this as negative 1 raised to 4. Negative 1 raised to 4, that is just equal to positive 1. And then positive 1, kunin natin yung cube root, that is just equal to positive 1. So, this part will be positive 1. Negative 3/4 times positive 1. And then multiplying. So, the area is negative 3 over 4 square units. So, area siya, bakit may negative? Yung negative sign is just a representation kung saan nakalagay yung area. Kung titignan natin, so this area under the curve nung function natin is equal to 3 over 4 square units. Kaya siya negative kasi siya ay nasa left side nung ating y-axis. Okay, I hope this helped. And if you have certain questions with regards to math na kaya namang sagutin, so kindly message me, Facebook, Twitter, or here sa YouTube channel natin. And then I will try to answer your questions. So thank you for watching. And I hope na tong series natin na to will help you.